Hi guys, it's Kayla here. Today I want to show you what you can make with a 6x6 mega pad. I use the EcoPark paper special delivery baby girl collection, and I made these two cute mini albums. So you already have a flip through of this album and a tutorial is already on my YouTube. So I'm gonna add the link on the description box if you want to recreate this album. There is also a free cutting guide on my coffee shop, so I'm gonna add the link as well. And I want to show you today how this other album turned out. So what I did is that I used the entire collection. Half of the papers I used it for one album and the other 24 papers for this other album. So I had two papers left, and I also have a couple of scraps that I am planning to make some cards. Let me show you this album. This is super cute. I use again on the cover the same cut apart that I used on this other album, and then the scallop frame on the front. Then I use these two papers, this light paper and the red. It just looks really cute. Here I added an eyelet, and then I hanged this tag on the side. On this other album I used this ribbon, but I wasn't sure if I liked it or not, so on this one I didn't add it. Now that I see them together, I like it. I like the ribbon, but that is optional on how you want to decorate it. And this is the back. So now let me show you how it turned out. So here we have this flap with this cute paper, and here I use one of the stickers, and this one opens here, and we have this kind of booklet. These babies are tiny miracles sent from heaven above, and we can add photos here. And then we have this other one. We can add a photo here or journaling, and on the back again you can add journaling. Then these are some of the cut aparts. On the other side you can add a photo, or again you can add journaling or whatever you want to add, or things from the hospital, the baby footprint. That would be super cute. So now I close, oh no, let me see, I open this one, then yes. Then we can add a photo here also on top, and here I added this scallop frame with this banner and then a sentiment at the bottom. This is super cute. Then this one closes here, and then we tied this. On this side I added this heart eyelet. It's super cute. We open this one and we have another frame here. Let the adventure begin, and we can add another photo on the side. Then this one closes here, and here we have kind of the same that I did here. Actually, you could add on this page, you could add this other pocket. I didn't add it at the beginning because I wasn't sure if I was gonna have enough paper, but for sure you are gonna have more paper, so you can add a pocket there. And then this one opens up. Okay, I can hear my baby on the monitor. He's waking up from his nap. So now I'm gonna close this one. And then here I added this ribbon to pull this, and we can add photo. I just added pattern paper here to cover the magnet. I added here, but you can add photos on both sides, or journaling in one side and a photo on the other one. And this is from the puffy stickers. This bear is super cute. And then we have this photo mat that we can add whatever you want, journaling or a photo. And here we have this booklet with more opportunity for photos. You can also add more photo mats on this pocket. I love this onesie. I used the die that came with the collection. And here we open this one and we can add photo here, and then on these two other sides. And then we close this place. Okay, and this one opens to the side. We can add another photo, and then we have this waterfall, and we can add our pictures here. I didn't add any pattern paper, so we can just place our photo right there. And oh, and I forgot that this waterfall is a pocket. So we can add a tag inside. I completely forgot about that. And I think I forgot it as well on the other album. Let me see. Yes, I didn't add anything here. So, well, I guess we'll have less pattern paper. So probably I'm gonna use these two for that, or some of the scraps, and put it there. So this is gonna be perfect. And this is how these cute albums turned out. Let me know in the comments, what do you usually do with your 6x6 papers? Do you do albums or do you prefer cards? And thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some inspiration today. Everything was on time. My baby just woke up and I can just hear my kids coming through the door from school. So have a wonderful week and see you in the next one. Bye.